So you've found the perfect big screen TV or projector, and now you're looking for the big sound to match? The ultimate home cinema needs the latest home audio system. Consider your options: a soundbar, portable wireless speakers, or a home theatre system. First, soundbars. Sit one of these stylish slimline speakers above or below your TV for perfect virtual surround sound. Most models only need 1 or 2 connecting cords, perfect for a slick setup. Into action movies? Get big-time bass with a subwoofer, either built-in or as a package deal. And look for a model with Bluetooth connectivity to play your favourite playlists and podcasts straight from your smart device. For the ultimate in versatility and crystal clear audio, opt for portable wireless speakers. Installation is a breeze with no wires or cables to worry about. Just connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi using your smart device. And no cords means big sound wherever you need it. And don't forget your playlists. Home wireless speakers with voice control will play all your favourite music. Just ask. For blow your socks off audio, you can't go past a home theatre system. It's got everything you need for authentic cinema sound at home. A mix of floor, front and rear speakers, plus a subwoofer and amplifier, put you at the centre of the action. Consider wall mounting some speakers to make the most of your tech. Front speakers should be around head height and 2 to 3 metres away from your seating. Rear speakers should be a bit above head height. Now settle in for movie night at your place. The good guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.